Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to cover an HTML element I came across and used in a project recently. As always, if you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. It really helps my channel. Let's get started. The element I came across the other day was the details element. I hadn't used it before and I was kind of glad I came across it because I realized it really helps when I want to build out like a widget that allows me to show additional information without having to go through and say build an accordion and add all the additional HTML and JavaScript. Let's get started. By definition, the details HTML element creates a disclosure widget whose contents are only visible when the element is in the open state. Let's go ahead, build out a few widgets and see how that works. We're going to start with a fresh HTML page and we're going to go ahead and import some styling. I'm going to copy and paste our base styles. Save. We'll refresh. Okay, let's go ahead and create our first details widget. We're going to go details and give it a class of base. And we're going to provide a summary. The summary is used to essentially give it a title. So I'm going to go default. We're going to then go do a div, paragraph, and I'm going to copy and paste in some lorem ipsum. Let's give it a save. And as you can see, a default details widget has been created. And when I click on default, additional information, which is the lorem ipsum, is displayed. Let's take a look at this element. As you can see, it's open. And we see here an open attribute has been applied to the details HTML element. When we close it, you'll see that the attribute has been removed. And in some use cases, we may not want that default arrow. How can we get rid of this? Let's go ahead and create another details widget, giving this one a class of no marker. Again, we'll give it a summary. And we'll go no marker. And we'll do a div and a paragraph again. We'll paste in our lorem ipsum, give it a save. Okay, as you can see, we still have our marker, but we're going to add some CSS styling to that to get rid of it. Let's copy and paste it in. Give it a save. And as you can see, it's gone. And the reason for that is the summary has a list style type, and if you give it none, it won't appear. And since I'm on Safari, I have to use the WebKit details marker and then set the display to none. Previously, I had mentioned that summary is used in conjunction. So what happens if we don't have a summary? We can comment it out and save. And as you can see, a default details title is applied to the details HTML element. Let's go back and uncomment and save, bring back our no marker. And as you can see, we can go back and forth with both. They're both independent of each other. This is really useful when you have to display a little bit more information, but you want to keep it compact. This is really nice when you want to show additional information in a simple way versus having to deal with the overhead of building out, say, an accordion. I hope you enjoyed this overview. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. It truly helps the channel. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one.